Good morning, my dear students. Today I am going to teach you about the mutations. What are mutations? The sudden heritable changes occurs in a living organisms known as mutations. Can you say examples for mutations in human beings? In human beings, the ancient times, earlier days, the human beings are having tails, but nowadays those are disappeared due to the mutations. Okay, and whereas in human being snakes, the snakes are having legs in ancient times, but nowadays the legs are disappeared. That is one of the example for mutations. Okay, whereas in human beings, absence of tails. Whereas in animals, snakes, absence of legs. So mutations, how many types of mutations are there? Mainly two types. What are they? One is point mutation and second one is the frame shift mutation, insertion or deletion mutation. First of all, we have to know about the point mutation. The point mutation is caused due to the change in a single base pair. Single base pairs. The each base pair is consist of how many nitrogen bases? Two bases. Okay, na? Already have learned about the structure of DNA molecule and different types of RNA molecules. In DNA molecule, how many strands are there? Two strands. Okay. The several helix are there in a DNA molecule. Each of the helices consist of how many base pairs? 10 base pairs. 10 base pairs means how many bases are present? 20 bases are present. Okay. So here the point mutation means the point mutations are caused due to the change in a single base pair. For example, in human beings, in blood cells, the beta globin chain generally is consist of glutamate amino acid. Whenever the change is occurs, if the single base pair changes occurs during formation of the beta glutamin chain, if change is occurs, if single base pair change occurs, what will happen? Instead of the glutamate amino acid, valine amino acid is formed. Generally, the normal blood cells are having the glutamate amino acid in beta globin chain. Whereas in sickle shaped blood cells, the beta globin chain is consist of valine amino acid instead of the glutamate amino acid. Okay, na? Here is it clear? Here, the instead of that glutamate amino acid, which amino acid is formed? Valine amino acid is formed. Whenever the valine amino acid is formed, the blood cells are turned into sickle shaped. Okay, it's about the point mutation. So sickle cell anemia is one of the example for point mutation. And next, another one is the frame shift insertion or deletion mutation. Here I written one sentence, that is Ram has red cap. Each word is having three alphabets like as a genetic code. Already have learned about the genetic code. What is codon? The three adjacent nitrogen bases collectively known as codon. So in genetic code, each codon is having how many nitrogen bases? 3 nitrogen bases. In this sentence, each word is having how many alphabets? 3 alphabets like as a genetic code. Okay. So what is this sentence? Ram has red cap. If we are inserted B alphabet in between hasn't read. Now rearrange the statement like as a genetic code. As per genetic code, each genetic code is consists of 3 alphabets. Okay, now the Ram as this, has as this. Which alphabet we are inserted here? Capital B. Okay, as per the genetic code, each word is having 3 letters. Now, if you are inserted the B on E, this is one word like as a genetic code. Next, DCA. The last one is a B. Is it clear? Suppose if you are inserted 2 alphabets, one alphabet is B, another alphabet is the I. Now rearrange the sentence. Like as a genetic code, RAM, RAM, HAS, has, BI, 2 letters we are inserted here, BI, or EDC, AP. Okay, this is the sentence. Suppose if you are inserted 3 alphabets in between has and read. If 3 alphabets BIZ inserted. Now rearrange the sentence. RAM, HAS, BIZ, RED, CA. Here how many letters are inserted finally? 3 letters are inserted. Suppose if the 3 nitrogen bases are inserted in a genetic material, the changes will be appeared. So there the changes are caused due to the addition of more than 2 nitrogen bases. Now look at here, another one is, so, if the alphabets are deleted, here inserted, which letters are inserted? First B is inserted, later I is inserted, BI, and whereas here BIZ, 3 alphabets are inserted. Whereas in this statement, what is the first given statement? Ram has red cap. If one alphabet is deleted, arrange the sentence now. What is the first one? RAM. RAM. Next, the second word, HAS. Which alphabet is deleted here? Which alphabet? Capital R is deleted. Okay, after deleting the capital R, as per the genetic code, the next alphabets EDC. The last 2 alphabets A. Whereas in this case, 2 alphabets are deleted after the has. Now that is the sentence. RAM, HAS, RE, 2 alphabets are deleted. After deleting, then DCA. Suppose 3 alphabets are deleted. 3 alphabets. 3 alphabets, these 3 RE after has. If 3 alphabets are deleted in between has and cap. Now read this sentence. RAM, HAS, has, CAP. Some changes are occurring in this statement due to deletion of the alphabets. Like as in a genetic material, whenever the nitrogen bases are inserted or deleted, the changes will be appeared. Okay, the frameshift insertion or deletion mutations are caused due to the deletion of 3 or more nitrogen bases. Whereas point mutations are caused due to deletion of the 1 or 2 bases. Frameshift mutations are caused due to the deletion or insertion of more than 3 or more than 3 nitrogen bases. Okay, is it clear? So next class we will discuss about the structure of RNA molecule.